The Philippine National Privacy Commission is investigating the alleged large-scale data breach on Facebook.
Tatlong sangkot sa umunoy panghahack ng mga sensitibong impormasyon.
Arestado ang isang babae na umunoy nagnakaw na ng identity ng iba.
Mataas ang bilang ng mga nabibiktima sa social messaging app gamit ang pangalan at katawan ng ibang tao.
Every time you go online, you share a little piece of yourself, your searches, your messages, your personal data. It all leaves a trace. In the Philippines, we're always connected. 74 million phones. The stats are collected. 5 hours a day or more it seems. Lost in a scroll, a world of digital dreams. But behind every click, every tap, every post, someone's watching, tracking with the host. From hackers to unauthorized trackers, your personal info can be used without you knowing. And no one wants to be a target in this game. Cybercrime in the Philippines continues to rise, and data privacy violations are becoming more frequent. Data privacy. The principle that a person should have control over their personal data, including the ability to decide how organizations collect, store, and use their data. But we've got a law, it's on our side. To protect you, the Philippine government enacted the Republic Act 10173, also known as the Data Privacy Act of 2012. This law aims to safeguard your personal information and holds companies accountable for how they collect and use your data. But laws alone, they can't do it all. We've got to rise, answer the call.
Take action by securing your accounts, enabling two-factor authentication, and reviewing your privacy settings. Be mindful of what apps and websites that ask for your data.
Together, we can protect our data. Let's demand transparency from companies and support the enforcement of our privacy laws.